In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft launcher error code eroded Badlands. So let's get started. We're gonna look at various fixes, so you're gonna go ahead and try all of them out and hoping that one of them works out. The first one is a very common one, which is update Windows. Update Windows. So go to settings, then update and security, and then click on Windows Update. If there are any available updates, just click and download them. The next one we have is verify system files, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Verify system files. Alright, so you're going to open command prompt, so you can go ahead and click on the Windows button on the bottom left corner, search command prompt and run it as an administrator. Then you'll have to run a scan, and I'm going to write down the command, which is, I'm just going to write it down, sfc. You're going to give a space, and then you're going to do a backslash and write scan now. Alright, and then press enter. This will scan your system files for errors and attempt to repair them. The next one we have is clear Minecraft launcher cache. Clear Minecraft launcher cache. Alright, so you have to close Minecraft launcher, so you have to make sure it's completely closed. You have to do Alt F4, and then you have to navigate to the following directory. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and write it down. Alright, so you're just gonna see this app data. Alright, Minecraft, then you have to go to launcher profiles. Launcher profiles. Alright, so this is the trajectory you have to go directly, you have to go in, and then from here you're gonna delete the cache folder. Then you have to restart your launcher, so you're basically reopening the Minecraft launcher and try logging in again. Then if this doesn't work, you go ahead and reinstall Minecraft launcher. So reinstall Minecraft launcher. Okay, so you have to go to settings, apps and features, find the Minecraft launcher and uninstall it. Then you have to download the latest version of Minecraft launcher from its official website and install it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.